Topic, tell me about yourself. Speak English naturally and confidently.
Okay, Paul, quick question. Why do I feel nervous already?
Imagine this. You walk into a job interview, or maybe you meet someone new, and suddenly they say, tell me about yourself.
Boom. Brain empty. English gone. System shut down.
Exactly. And the crazy thing is, this is one of the most common English questions in the world.
And somehow also one of the scariest.
So today, we'll teach you how to answer tell me about yourself naturally, confidently, and without sounding like a robot.
And please stop saying, myself Paul, I am coming from India.
Paul?
What? I used to say that. Don't worry, by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to say in real conversations.
Intro. Hello everyone, and welcome back to Fluent English Podcast.
The place where you learn real English for real life.
I'm Emily.
And I'm Paul, still recovering from embarrassing English moments.
Honestly, we've all been there.
True. If you've ever panicked while speaking English, congratulations.
You're human.
And if you want to speak English more naturally and confidently, make sure you subscribe and join us every week.
All right, let's start with the biggest mistake people make when introducing themselves.
Section 1. Why tell me about yourself feels so hard? Can I confess something?
Always.
Sometimes I know English words, but when someone asks me to speak, my brain suddenly starts buffering like slow internet.
That happens because you're trying to create perfect English in real time.
Exactly. I'm thinking about grammar, pronunciation, vocabulary, my future, my childhood trauma.
Okay, relax. Here's the secret. Good English introductions are simple.
Really?
Yes, most native speakers don't use difficult English when introducing themselves.
Wait, so I don't need greetings respected sir, it gives me immense pleasure to introduce myself before this honorable gathering?
Please never say that.
Deleting that from my memory immediately.
A good introduction is usually short, friendly, clear, natural.
That already sounds easier.
Good, because today we'll build your introduction step by step.
Section 2. The simple formula.
Okay everyone, here's the easiest formula. Simple introduction formula. Your name, where you're from, what you do, something personal or interesting.
That's it?
That's it?
Wait, people spend years being afraid of this?
Yes.
Human beings are fascinating.
Part 1. Your name. First, your name. Simple examples. Hi, I'm Sarah. My name's Alex. I'm David.
Simple, clean, no drama.
Exactly.
Can I say, my good name is Paul?
You can, but it sounds unnatural in modern English conversation.
So just, I'm Paul?
Perfect. Speaking practice. All right, everyone, repeat after me. Slowly. Hi, I'm Emily.
Your turn.
Again.
Hi, I'm Emily. See? Easy already.
Part 2. Where you're from. Next, where you're from. Examples. I'm from India. I live in Delhi. I'm originally from Brazil.
What if I live somewhere small nobody knows?
That's okay. You can say, I'm from a small town in Uttar Pradesh.
Nice. That sounds natural.
Mini story.
One time, someone asked where I was from, and I panicked so badly I forgot my own city.
What did you say?
Earth.
Honestly, technically correct.
Part 3. What do you do?
Now tell people what you do. Examples. I'm a student. I work in marketing. I'm learning English. I'm a software developer.
Can I say, I am doing job?
Better. I have a job. Or, I work as a.
That sounds smoother.
Speaking practice. Repeat after me. I'm a student.
Again?
I work as a teacher. One more. I'm learning English.
Beautiful. Keep going.
Section 3. Add personality.
Now, here's the important part. Most people stop after basic information. But if you want to sound natural, you need personality.
So not, I am Paul, I am from India, I am student, thank you.
Exactly. That sounds like a hostage video.
Fair.
Add something interesting. Try adding hobbies, dreams, interests, funny details. Examples. I love watching football. I'm really into photography. I enjoy learning languages. I spend too much money on coffee.
That last one felt personal.
Because it's true.
Example natural introduction.
Here's a full natural introduction. Hi, I'm Emily. I'm from Chicago, but I currently live in New York. I work as an English teacher, and I really enjoy helping people speak confidently. In my free time, I love reading and trying new coffee shops.
Wow, that sounds smooth.
Because it sounds human.
Okay, my turn. Hey, I'm Paul. I am from a small town in India. I'm currently learning English and creating content online. I love podcasts, funny videos, and honestly, sleeping.
Sleeping is not a hobby.
Disagree.
Section 4. Common mistakes. Now let's fix some common mistakes.
Mistake 1. Myself Paul.
Correct. I'm Paul.
Mistake 2. I am belong to India.
Correct. I'm from India.
Mistake 3. I am having 2 brothers.
Correct. I have 2 brothers.
Mistake 4. I am doing job.
Correct. I work as a, or I have a job.
Mistake 5. My hobby is listening songs.
Better. I enjoy listening to music.
English is basically everything you learned slightly wrong.
Sometimes yes.
Rude language.
Section 5. Different situations. Now let's practice introductions for different real-life situations.
Scene 1. Meeting new people.
Example. Hi, I'm Emily. Nice to meet you. I work as a teacher and I'm really interested in travel and languages.
Friendly, relaxed, normal human behavior.
Scene 2. Job interview. For interviews, sound professional but natural. Example. Hello, I'm Emily. I have experience in customer service and communication. I enjoy working with people and learning new skills. Recently, I've been focusing on improving my leadership abilities.
That sounds confident.
Confidence comes from preparation.
Scene 3. Online meeting. This one is scary.
I know. Example. Hi everyone, I'm Paul. I'm joining from India. I work in digital marketing and I'm excited to be part of this meeting.
Simple and professional.
Scene 4. Making friends. Example. Hey, I'm Emily. I'm kind of obsessed with coffee and podcasts. What about you?
Oh, that's smart.
Why?
Because you ask a question back.
Exactly. Great conversations are not speeches.
Section 6. How to sound more confident. Okay, Emily, important question. How do people sound confident in English?
3 things.
Tip 1. Speak slower.
Most learners speak too fast because they're nervous.
True. I start sounding like an auctioneer.
Slow down. Pause. Breathe. Native speakers pause all the time.
Tip 2. Don't memorize everything. Wait, really?
Yes, memorizing can make you sound robotic. Instead, remember key ideas like name, job, hobbies, goals.
Tip 3. Smile. People can hear smiles?
Actually, yes. A smile changes your voice.
That's weirdly magical.
Speaking practice, full introduction. All right, everyone, time for practice. Repeat after me slowly. Hi, I'm Sarah.
I'm from India.
I'm currently studying English.
I enjoy watching movies and listening to podcasts.
And I'm excited to improve my communication skills.
See, that already sounds natural.
And remember, perfection is not the goal. Communication is the goal.
Section 7. Real-life conversation practice.
Okay, Paul, let's do a real conversation.
No pressure.
Role play. Hi, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Tell me about yourself.
Sure. I'm Paul. I'm from India and I'm currently working on improving my English communication skills. I really enjoy podcasts, technology, and making people laugh, sometimes accidentally.
That was good.
Really?
Yes, it sounded natural and relaxed.
I didn't even panic.
Growth.
Another version?
Okay, one more. Tell me about yourself.
Hi, I'm Paul. I work online and spend a lot of time learning new skills. Recently, I've been practicing spoken English because I want to communicate more confidently with people around the world.
Excellent.
Section 8. Emotional encouragement.
Can we talk honestly for a second?
Always.
A lot of people feel embarrassed speaking English. They think, my accent is bad, my grammar isn't perfect, people will laugh at me. But here's the truth. Every fluent English speaker made mistakes. Every single one.
Even native speakers make mistakes.
Exactly. Speaking English is not about sounding perfect. It's about connecting with people.
And honestly, confidence grows after you start speaking, not before.
That's such a good point.
Quick viewer challenge.
Okay, everyone, challenge time. Pause this video after this section and introduce yourself in English for 30 seconds.
Yes, don't overthink it. Just speak.
Even if you make mistakes.
Especially if you make mistakes, that means you're learning.
Section 9. Bonus natural phrases. Before we finish, here are some natural phrases you can use. Friendly phrases. Nice to meet you. I'm happy to be here. I've always been interested in my free time. Recently, I started. Confident phrases. I'm currently working on improving. I enjoy learning new things. I'm passionate about. I'm excited for new opportunities.
Relaxed phrases? My favorite section. I'm kind of obsessed with coffee. I spend way too much time online. I love anything related to music. I'm still figuring things out.
That last one is very real. Final practice.
All right, everyone, final practice. Listen carefully. Hi, I'm Emily. I'm from the United States, and I work as an English teacher. I love helping people become more confident speakers, and in my free time, I enjoy reading, podcasts, and traveling.
Now my version. Hey, I'm Paul. I'm from India and I'm currently focused on improving my English and creating online content. I enjoy funny conversations, podcasts, and learning new skills every day.
Notice something important?
Neither introduction was perfect.
Exactly, but both sounded natural.
Outro.
And that's what matters most. If today's lesson helped you, make sure to like this video and subscribe to Fluent English Podcast for more real English conversations.
And now we have a question for you.
Introduce yourself in the comments using English.
Yes, even short comments are okay.
We'd love to read them.
And remember, don't wait to become perfect before speaking English. Speak first, improve later.
Beautifully said.
Thank you. I became emotional and motivational for a second.
It happens.
All right, everyone.
See you in the next episode.